Fairfield 911 emergency.
Hi, there's a fight at Jasmine Street in Fairfield. The man who lives there was yelling, "Don't pull a knife on me," and then you pulled a knife on me. And
Did you see any weapons?
I just heard him screaming, "Don't pull a knife on me," and then you get
So a male?
my property. 2 males, yes. Father is, I don't know what the young guy's name is. I think that's what they were yelling at him. Oh shit, he's got a knife in his hand. My husband.
Oh, wait, he does?
Yes. That's why I'm calling the police. Jasmine.
Who's got the knife? What address is this? $7031. We're outside with about 8 subjects. You tell anyone with a knife. 237? Yeah. Come out here, guys. Come over here. Have a seat. Yeah, everyone. Everyone, come out here. 1731. What's the description of the guy with the knife?
How you doing, officer? This is our house. This is my house right here. Yeah, this is my house, officer, and we're asking this gentleman to leave from here.
Okay.
You're not under arrest. Drake, get over here.
Yep.
You're not under arrest. You're being detained.
Hey, man, just freaking listen.
Get in my hand, sir.
Just listen, man.
You don't want to listen. Don't move. Relax.
I said that like you asked me.
Relax.
Oh shit! Hey! What the fuck is wrong with you?
Is that your daughter?
Yes, it is. She tried to.
For what?
Sit
For
down.
What? Nobody did nothing
Sit
to
down.
me. Are you fucking happy?
Sit down.
Let go of me, dude.
Sit
Just
down.
let go of me.
Okay.
Why are you trying to
Let go of me.
like that?
It's called a control hold.
Tatiana?
You're holding me for what?
Hush your mouth.
For what?
Hush your mouth.
Are you fucking happy, you stupid bitch? You dumb crackhead bitch. Are you happy? Are you
Come on.
happy, Mom? Are you fucking happy? Hope you're all fucking happy.
Listen to me.
Are you not gonna
She needs to go to a car because you're not listening.
Let the fuck on me, bro. I'm not doing shit to nobody. I'm not touching nobody. So
You're not touching nobody?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
You see me touching anybody?
Yeah, I just did.
I hope you're fucking happy, Mom. I hope you're happy. I hope
down.
you're real fucking happy.
Sit down.
I hate you. Why
down.
would you fucking do that? Why would you let
Sit down.
If you don't control yourselves, you will all go in handcuffs and go back to court.
Yeah.
We need to dropping them off.
Okay, yeah, I just don't want you to hit him. You got to back up.
She's not gonna run over. You're good. You're good. You're good.
Children need to go inside like you were already asked. Inside.
What's your name, man? What?
You guys are not listening. You're told to go inside.
Okay.
Now.
You want to kill the beeper?
Yeah. And ask him who the actual caller is.
7031. We have 2 detained, the 2 primaries. You can kill the beeper.
Get your butt inside.
Okay, right now she's gonna be
I think he's the one. Did you call?
No, but we didn't
One of my, somebody called. Who called?
What did she just say? Who called? No, somebody went back inside the house. Is that
It was her.
Who's
She
Eddie?
went inside.
Somebody here. I
Who's
told
Eddie?
them to make
Is there
the
an
call.
Eddie here?
7031. Who's the RP?
We didn't show up by magic. Jesus.
You guys need to hush your mouth before you leave with them. Show a little
10-4.
respect.
Who was it?
Go to your room.
Neighbor. 229.
Okay.
They need to listen and show some
Katie,
respect.
talk to him and see what's going on. You got his horsepower?
I'll get it. Where's your ID at? Okay. What is that?
Looking for he was yelling at my dog. I'm sorry.
All right. Is your last name?
He was yelling at her, and I told him.
What's your birthday?
$100 today.
What's your birthday?
We're on our way to go get a room.
Who's you? You and she is your.
1731. Can you 29-1 by name? Stay over there.
I just need to talk.
No, you're staying over there.
Get to talk to her. It's not illegal to talk to her.
Stay over there.
It's not illegal to talk to her.
Stand by. Stay over there.
It's not illegal to talk
She's
to her.
detained in the back of a car. You're making the situation
You're
worse.
also gonna be. All right. She wants to go in handcuffs too.
She doesn't. No, Mariah, get over there.
Just go listen to your mom. Why are you going to take it to this far? Go.
No, it's okay, baby.
An investigation
She's not. She
right
wants to check on her sister.
All right.
Don't put it. Mama,
You're gonna go to the ground if you don't go in the house.
Mariah, go.
Hey, move, Mom.
No, I'm not
Mom.
gonna move. You're not gonna.
Mom, move. Move.
You need to stop. She's got cuffs on.
Mariah.
Grab her cuff, Serena.
Can you not hurt her?
Serena, grab her cuff.
You know what?
Okay,
Vanessa.
Mariah, it's okay.
Vanessa.
I'm just trying to get her stuff for her. I'm not fighting the
Okay,
police.
get over this way. What is wrong with you girls?
Can you just stop twisting her arm, please?
Well,
Please
She
stop.
needs to stop.
No, she doesn't. Can you
Yes,
stop?
she does. Diana, you're gonna.
You fucking idiot! You fucking. She's unconscious, you stupid bitch! Stupid bitch!
Nigga. Diana, are you okay?
1831.
What the fuck is your problem? What's wrong with you?
Hey.
Man.
Stardust units. Starting at 1141.
Call the police!
Lay on her side. Lay her on her side.
What the fuck, dude? Why'd you have to slam her like that, man? If my wife doesn't make it, it's still gonna be over.
Stay over there. Stay over there.
Her hands on my fucking wall.
Stay over there.
You bitch. Move.
You're going to go to the ground next, bro.
You can't hit
Get the
me.
fuck out. Go back.
Back up, please stop! You just left my mom unconscious! What the fuck is wrong with you niggas?
Damn, please! Get off her, please! Don't do that to her! Look at her! Get her an ambulance, please! Get her an ambulance!
1731. Started an ambulance
Started.
for a female that got knocked out.
Get
Code
everybody
3.
here in fucking handcuffs.
This is how y'all treat your
Everybody
citizens.
here in
Okay, do you have cuffs?
You need cuffs on her?
No, just an extra pair.
Don't put her in there, please! Oh, man!
Hey, turn around.
Oh, for what?
Turn around.
I didn't do it.
Okay, go stand over there. Go stand over there.
Mom, bro!
Okay. Sarge, can you handle them? Is she talking to you?
No, she's not responding
Hey,
at all!
can you hear me?
She's not responding
Can
at
you
all!
hear me? What's her name?
Oh, God!
What is it? Diana?
Thank God, Diana.
Okay. Hey,
Come on, baby.
Diana, just breathe, okay?
Just breathe, okay, princess? It's gonna be okay, princess. I'm right here with you, mama. I'm right here with you, princess. You fucking kids, man! You guys did this, you fucking kids! Oh my God, why can't you guys just listen? Oh, God, my wife, oh, my wife.
Doing your job any longer!
Mom, you're gonna
Hey,
be okay.
Dana,
Mom, you're gonna be
where
okay.
are you? You're in Fairfield. What year is it? Who's the president? Okay,
She knows who the
I
president
understand.
is. So she's a
I'm just
little
asking a
proud.
simple question. I understand, man.
sir.
Hey, here's the thing.
Sir. I'm sorry.
Okay, hey,
and I'm
it's fine.
sorry you had to do that,
Look at this.
sir, but you
Hey.
didn't have to.
I didn't intend to do that,
I know
man.
you didn't,
okay.
sir. I know
I
you
took her to
didn't.
the ground because she was fighting with me.
Yeah,
okay?
I understand
And
that,
I understand
sir.
you're in a tough
I
situation right now.
understand that, sir.
Okay. Do you understand?